Hi guys, I just bought a new car. It's been a while since I was looking for a perfect car mount, and I think I just found one. Check out Pitaka MagEZ Car Mount Pro 2. I'm a huge fan of Pitaka brand. I think they are making one of the best iPhone accessories on the market, so let's unbox the package and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the installation tutorial, the product itself, and a USB-C power cable. The installation process is very easy. You have to install it into your car air vents. Normally it should fit every car model. This phone holder is made from Aramid fiber and supports wireless charging up to 15 watts. I like the build quality because it feels very premium, not like other plastic cheap car mounts. Magnets are really strong and your iPhone will stay securely attached. If you're using your iPhone in summer, it can also cool down your iPhone because sometimes it gets warm. You have just to toggle the switch from red to blue. And I like the attention to details, because Pitaka added one unusual feature, the integration of NFC tag. Thanks to the NFC tag built in, you can just point your iPhone in front of the NFC chip and it will instantly open the navigation app of your choice. How cool is that? Before starting to use this NFC tag, you have to open the Shortcuts app, then go to the Automations tab and tap on the little plus icon. Scroll down and look for when NFC tag is detected. Select Run immediately, which means without confirmation. Scan the NFC tag and give it a name, for example, car. Assign an action. Open app. Select an app of your choice, for example, Waze or Google Maps. And voila! Just move your iPhone close to the NFC tag and it will immediately open your navigation app. By the way, I already made a separate video about NFC tags. It's an amazing technology. Check it out if you're interested. What can I tell you about this car mount? It's simply amazing, like it just works. The installation process is super easy and the build quality is very good, so it's definitely worth the price. You know, sometimes small things make a huge difference, like for example the integration of the NFC tag. Pitaka sent me this car mount for review, but I would never advise something that I'm not using myself. I should admit that this is one of the best car mounts for iPhone that I ever tested so far. If you're interested in purchasing this product, the link will be in the description. Another useful product from Pitaka is their MagSafe wallet. It's called MagEZ Card Sleeve 3. I like this wallet because you can put inside 2 standard credit cards and even some cash. I was always scared of losing my MagSafe wallet, but Pitaka's magnets are very strong and there is no chance you will lose your wallet. It will stay securely attached to your iPhone. It's just one of the small products that make your life easier. I don't like carrying my huge wallet and this MagSafe card sleeve is a perfect solution for me. There is just enough space to put my ID card or driver's license and some cash. It's always nice to have some cash, you never know when you might need it. Again, the purchase link will be available in the description, so check it out if you're interested. It's not very expensive. Guys, thanks for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.